for this video, we will be covering the basic search function in the education collection database. As you can see, you have your options up here. We're already on basic search. And you can see that you just have a very simple search box where it asks you to enter your search terms. There are some pre-search qualifiers. You can either filter by full text or peer-reviewed. So for this video and for the following videos that explore the other search strategies, we are going to focus on assistive technology in education. So for our basic search, we are just going to start with assistive technology. You can also notice that it has a auto filter feature, and this is really useful because it might give you some other terms that you didn't think of using the term that you are already looking up. So it gives you some good variations to use, but we're going to stick with just assistive technology for now. So let's search. You can notice we get quite a few results, but not overwhelming too many. And then if we scroll through, you see a lot about assistive technology. So at first glance, it seems like a lot of our results are pretty relevant. You also noticed on the left-hand side that there are a lot of post-search qualifiers that you can filter by also. You can sort by relevance or oldest first or most recent first. You can limit to full text or peer-reviewed if you did not do that in the beginning. There are a bunch of different source types. These are also listed out in the newsletter for reference, but again, you can see them here and you can either include them or exclude them. It also gives you in your results that you have now how many of each of these are available. You can filter by publication date, publication title, document type, subject, company and organization, location, person, language, and database. So it allows you to filter by database because, as mentioned in the newsletter, ERIC and Education Database filter into Education Collection. So your basic search is very basic and it's very transferable to other databases. So join me in the next video.